Hi all, welcome to the material design series. This is the part 2 of bottom navigation, and in this part we will learn bottom navigation with shifting elements. Before getting started, let make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So, let's get started. This is the last time project which we have created. So, let's go to the main activity. Now here I will add a new button. Let's say shifting bottom navigation. Let's give it to a ID. Here I will add a on click listener. So when we click on button, we will go to the shifting activity. So let's create a empty activity. Let's say shifting bottom nav. So now here I'm going to add a dummy content so that we can scroll very easily. So let's create a XML layout. Let's say I have already code for this. Let's copy and paste. Here I'm going to paste it. Okay, we have to add some dummy images. So this dummy scroll content file has no relation with the shifting bottom navigation. This is only the purpose for the we can scroll our view. So this let's add it to our old basic navigation. So here I have include the file. Now you can see that we have the a beautiful view, so we can able to scroll it. So let's run and I can show you. Okay, there is an error. I'm going to remove it. Now let's run it. So click on basic bottom navigation. So this is our scroll view, what we have added in the dummy scroll view. Now let's move to the shifting navigation component. So first of all, I'm going to convert this to relative layout. Now we need to add a bottom navigation view. Let's wrap content and parent aligned bottom to. So now we will add a menu file. Let's go to right click, add a Android resource file. Let's say shifting bottom left. Now here we will add the menu item. Let's say first item will be let's say movie. Here's the Android icon which is let's say movie, and third one is title. So this is the our first item. Now I am going to copy and paste it so that we can save our time also. The second one is music. IC music. I'm going to take the icon IC music, and here the title is music. Now third one is books. IC book. IC book, and the title should be books. And the fourth one is, let's say, news. IC news, and the title should be, let's say, news. Now our bottom navigation menu is ready. Let's add this menu in the bottom navigation. So let's go type here menu, and you can find here shifting bottom nav menu. So oh, I forgot to change the icon here. IC news. So here you can see that we have successfully added the menu inside the bottom navigation. Now let's go to the Java file, and here we will add the on click listener and the on scroll item listener, so that we can hide and show our bottom navigation menu. So let's do this. Let's go to the shifting bottom navigation menu. Now here I will add first the bottom navigation. Let's say navigation, and the second one is nested scroll. So scroll view. Let's first add the ID, give it to the ID, let's say navigation. And I will add a scroll view here, as we have added in the basic bottom navigation view. Dummy scroll content. So navigation equal to find VYID r.id dot and the second one is scroll view. Now we will set a on click listener on the navigation view, so that we can able to click on our menus. So navigation dot set on navigation item selected listener, new. So So here I will add a switch case so that we can handle our menu more than one. Let's go to the basic bottom navigation. Here I am going to copy it and paste. This is shifting. I would suggest you do not copy and paste it, just write so that you can memorize the code. Here I have done already this, so I am just copying and paste it to save our time. So we have 4 menu here. Let's say let's go to the nav menu. Here we have the 4 menu item: movie, navigation, music, books and news. Let's add it to one click listener. First is movie, second one is nav music, third one is books, and the fourth one is news. Similarly, we change here. And the fourth one is new. So let's run it and see. So this is our shifting bottom navigation. When we click on any navigation menu, it will shift and name is showing. So let's add some color so that when user click, he will get to know which button is clicking. So first is, let's go to the, and here we will add the background color. Let's say color. Now when user click on movie, it will change the color to, let's say, navigation dot set background color, get resources dot get color, let's say blue design. Just copy it and paste each of the menu item section. Now change the color, let's say pink, and third one is, let's say, gray. The fourth one is, let's say, 800. Let's run it. So Now let's change the color of menu item because it is not showing good. Let's go to the menu style and change our primary color, change to white. Now it looks better. So this is all about shifting bottom navigation menu, and thanks for watching. See you in the next part.